Yo, what is up, guys? How's everyone doing? Let's just put this up quick. Socials. Alright, dope. So we got 14 minutes until market open. This was our trade that we did on Monday. Price didn't activate during the live stream, but I did mention this zone, and that's essentially how it played out. It hit a that was our target, but it basically hit a close to like a 1 to 2. But still a great trade. Then today, obviously price is right now back at our entry point. What I would probably be looking for is shorts on Nasdaq today, right? So we do have our touches on the Nasdaq. Probably would like our fair value gaps to get hit, retest the last week golden zone as well as this resistance area over here, and if we can get that, we can most likely look for shorts in the market. Currently this is an FEG as well. How's everybody doing though? How's your guys' trading week? Was it good? Did you guys catch this trade? If you guys did, please let me know. The trade that we did on Monday, that's essentially all what it's been doing. Like this whole week, it's just been playing around with that trade. But if you guys did catch that trade, let me know. Guys, why is everyone so quiet? Come on out. If you're on the stream, say what's up at least. Bro, you've been killing it. Congrats. Thank you so much, bro. Surviving our stands. Appreciate you. What's up? Alright, so ideally FEGs. What else do we have? Maybe something like this, but price already broke that trend. Trend. Alright, just gonna go live in the Discord as real quick. sessions. We need that too. Perfect. Maybe you want to pop me or WhatsApp when you're free. Yes, for sure, George. My bad, bro. 100%. I'll text you. Let me just put a reminder quickly. George. George, did you get the email? It was probably sent to you on Monday or Tuesday. Just double check. Also check spam. But if you don't see it, just type in Crown Club and then it should hopefully pop up. Yo, what's up, DC? Who we got in the chat? We got John, Mr. GBP, and Lisa. What's up? Alright, so far with NASDAQ, again, you can probably see across all of here, you know, this is our, where can we go? Oh, interesting. Well, this is our trades from Monday. This was last week Thursday. Got shorts at TP1. The week before, and yeah, so we've been cooking NASDAQ pretty good. Today is the 7th stream, so we obviously just trying to maintain that success rate, but again, you know, it's trading at the end of the day. Marius, what's up, bro? How are you doing? Who else we got in the chat? Guys on the Discord, I'm also live on YouTube, but I'm streaming cross-platform, so you guys can just stay on the DC if you want. If you want to go onto the YouTube, you guys are welcome to as well. So ideally, what I'm looking for is price to take out ideally something like this. So we're ideally looking for that kind of move on Nasdaq, which is close to like a 1 to 4 today. I'll send you a link I got in on WhatsApp. Okay, awesome, bro. That is kind of the setup that we're looking for with Nasdaq today. We could even hit the last week low. But right now, like, I'm looking at bearish moves for Nasdaq. Reason being is because this area where Nasdaq is now, it's been retested so many times, and this was also going to be the based off the 4-hour time frame, a inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Udo, what's up, bro? I'm good in yourself. Nice to see you, man. So inverse head and shoulders for our time frame. This price point has been retested way too many times, so we're looking for an actual break in that shoulder. We could validate that break through a break of this 4-hour support resistance and dipping below that daily low. That's enough as well. So this would be obviously the nicest setup. Then the other short setup, we could do a break retest on daily low and support resistance. In that case, you would have stop loss just over here, and then pretty much same thing, aiming for that. We should also be close to a 1 to 4. You good? Amazing, bro. How's your trading week been going, Udo? You've been catching stuff, sitting back. What's it been like? Good so far, trading a lot of gold these days. How's gold treating you? Nice move down 2 hours ago. Damn, nice, bro. Yeah, gold. Let me take a peek quickly. When is market open? Oh, a minute. Okay, we'll take a peek at gold afterwards. Alright, so New York open now. See what we get. Price is retesting that 15-minute trend. It's not really a strong trend, but it's a trend nonetheless, and still in our golden zone. Still have a fair value gap at the bottom here, one above, and here as well above the last week golden zone. So we just wait to see what price wants to do. Hopefully we can get this short opportunity over here. I'd be more excited about this one, especially because of the risk to reward ratio. Okay, rejection on the 15-minute trend so far. What are your guys' predictions? Let me put up a poll on YouTube. See what everyone's thinking. Sells so far, okay. 1 vote sells. Full votes, 75% sells, 25% buys. So far, looks like price is rejecting the golden zone as well as the 15-minute trend. So all we have to do is see our price reacts to that FEG. If it breaks our 4-hour support resistance, then and breaks the daily low, then retest, then that would be our entry. Would say sells because there's a strong JCP on the far time frame. Let's see that. Let's see 4-hour time frame in pattern. Damn, yeah, you're right, George. Very nice. Very, very nice. So probably like how we would see an M is price would come to the 1.618 or last week low. If it breaks and retests that, then awesome, that would be a continuation to the downside. But it could also retest the daily low. So far, you are 100% correct, bro. In pattern, a lovely push down. So let's remove this one for now. This is probably going to be our entry point. Cheslin De Villiers, what's up, bro? Follow you on Insta. Appreciate that, broski. Okay, great move on the 15-minute candle. We're just looking for this break. Alex, yo, how you doing, brother? Bro, I haven't heard from you from ages. Appreciate you, bro. Text me on WhatsApp, bro. Like, definitely. Have you been busy with work and stuff, I assume? Okay, awesome. Hey, bro, and stuff is in... No, I get you, bro. It'll be like that sometimes. It really be like that. Okay, 5-minute kind of retest on the support of this file support, as well as a daily low. We're just waiting for that break. This previous fair value gap is done. So let's just try to see if we can get that break retest. Yo, Angelo, what's up, bro? Have you been trading gold, Angelo? I know Udo's also hot on it. Just closed another nice. Fuck, nice, bro. You cooking? Y'all cooking, bro. Okay, 50-minute looks like it wants to break. Let's look at the S&P. Okay, so we broke on the 15. Looks bearish. Yeah, I agree with you, bro. Also looks bearish for me. We got 50 seconds on this 5-minute candle. It just depends where it closes, and then we can probably look for an entry. Okay, so we got that break. So all we're looking for is a retest, and then once we get that retest, we can look for our entry points. This could be it here on the 5. Let's just look at the 15 quick. I just want to see what this 5-minute candle does. If it surpasses the previous 5, then we just hold on a little bit. AJ, let us know when you locked into the trade. Will do, bro. I'll definitely send a notification. But that's a short setup so far, so just keep an eye out for that. Yeah, close himself from 2 points, and this will be a great break and retest. Yes, bro. I agree with you. Okay, so that looks pretty good. We can lock into NASDAQ shorts at this price point over here. So, hi Jamie, if I may ask, does it make sense to wait until price breaks through that bearish level? Bearish level, which level are you talking about, Zeus? Okay. So we in shorts. I'll put the SLs and TPs now so that you guys can see. But NASDAQ shorts, NASDAQ sell at what price point? 29237. 237. Our stop loss is at 29487. TP1 is 29040. Anywhere from 29040 to 29898. No, 28990. And then TP2 is 28815 to 28725. Alright, that's the setup for the trade. I would probably say we move stop loss to entry at TP1. Right, so once we're at TP1, this area over here, move SL to entry. Let's make it red. Alright, we in NASDAQ shorts. Basically like a 1 to 2 trade setup. Let's see how it goes. Zeus, just let me know what bearish level you're talking about, just so that I can help you like understand that a little bit better, just for future stuff. NASDAQ bleeding. Yes sir, let's hope it bleeds some more. Nice entry point on that 5 minute. Let's just hope for a continuation to the downside. But so far it's looking good, guys. So far it's looking really, really good. How many of you guys are in Discord and YouTube? Are you guys in this trade, or are you just observing? 100% fine if you're just observing. Also, if you guys have questions regarding the entry point, let me know, because then, you know, could be some value to you guys as well, like actually knowing what's going on and how we got to this point. Respecting your analysis. So far, yes, bro. So far, it's looking really, really good. We were correct with the sells, or the bias, but let's just hope that this plays out. And if it's that M pattern that also George pointed out, bro, we could see a really crazy move like on NASDAQ. If that M pattern is going to be respecting, we could honestly see 27912 getting hit, you know, which is pretty crazy. Villy, you in? Okay, awesome, bro. So yeah, but what I would actually do is like the TP ranges and the SL ranges, everything that I put out, stick to that for this trade, because if the M pattern is respecting, there'll be a second short setup, right? Another short setup in addition to this one. So like just bag your 1 to 2 and then yeah, stay out, bro. Wait for the other setup. Okay, ending the poll. The poll was 9% buys, 91% sells. Alright, so the community is in correctly. Temperance observing. Awesome, bro. That's fine. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, 747, bro. Lucky number 7. Just hit SL to entry, hit TP1, move our stop loss to entry, and then it's a risk-free trade. Awesome. Happy days. Let's take a peek at the 15 quickly. Okay, 15 looks amazing. Do probably have this FEG, so price could maybe come back to entry. Just keep that in mind. Or maybe it could even like wait until later on, you know, with that M pattern, because that would be a possible entry point as well. Come on, come on, come on. Won't come back. We good on the side drop. Yes, I agree, bro. I agree. Just tank for us. That would be nice. Raul, Ellie, Mark, Jeppa. What's up, guys? FX Trader. Alright, guys, this is looking great so far. Looking really, really good. We're just shy of like 40 points, roughly, until SL to entry. Once it's SL to entry, bro, just yeah, protect your entry and let it play out. You know, bag your TP1 and then let it be. Looking juicy here. It's looking good, bro. It is looking good. Let's keep this momentum though. We are at London lows right now, so a nice break would be beautiful for us. There we go. Push, push, push. Let's go. Ten more seconds for this 5. Let's just maintain bearish. Okay, new 5-minute candle. Let's take a peek at the 15 again. Still good. We're still good. We might get a retest at our entry point, but that's fine. So far, it's okay. let's go. Don't like that 5-minute candle, but we're still in it, so we're still good. I think we'll switch to 15 just to see how it looks. 7 more minutes on this 15-minute candle. We could get that retest on the FEG. Then hopefully a tank coming down. But so far it's okay. And pattern playing out target. Yes, 100%, bro. 4 hour, like really good in pattern, which George pointed out over here. Beautiful, boom, boom, boom. Obviously that would be our base point at the 1.618, also our fast support resistance. So either break retest on last week low, or the base point, or price will come back to this daily low over here, be in the middle of the M. Yeah, just remember with M patterns, right? I'll show you guys quickly. I love you guys that are obviously in the mentorship, like George and Alex, like you guys know how it plays out. But essentially, this would be your M, right? That's what we saw in the 4 hour. This would be like your base, your support. That would be a resistance. This would be a resistance, right? So essentially with the M pattern, you're waiting for either a break, retest, continuation down, or price can come back to this middle point, break, retest, down. Right, so that's what's happening on the 4 hour time frame. So we kind of entered prematurely on this, but we have our reasons why we entered this trade already. Yeah, also just switched to the 4 hour time frame, so maybe preemptive positivity. Your camera covering your drawing on YouTube. Oh, my bad. Shout out, bro. Okay, so another one. Yeah, would be here. So M. Oh man, my other one was better. M. That's the M pattern. You would have this base point, which is support, resistance, resistance. Either what price will do, boom, retest, go down, or second option would be coming down to this resistance area, break, retest, go down. Shout out, Alex, appreciate you, bro. Yeah, so that's how we trade the M pattern. Oops. Alright, while we wait for the trade, I'm just going to open this FIFA World Cup pack that my girlfriend got me. Shout out. Alright, and then let's just wait and see, but hopefully we pull a butte. Alright, so let's do, oh my goodness, okay, absolute cook already. Alright, Jude Bellingham, come on now. Alright, you guys can't really see properly, but yeah, Jude Bellingham, we just opened that. That's a crazy card. Fuck. Oh my fucking gosh. Sorry. Erling Haaland. Okay, so we got Erling Haaland and Jude Bellingham. Kone from Canada. Who else we got? Hoyland. Man United. Oh, what? Oh, Hoyland, Man United striker. Dope. Whoa. Saliba. William Saliba. Nah, bro, it's cooking. We are cooking, bro. Oh, he's sick, bro. Doan, number 10 from Japan. Dope player. And oh, we got one more afterwards. Don't know how to say his name, but he's from Iran. This dude. And then final card, Melina from Argentina. Fuck. Alright, but the two top cards, boom, Jude Bellingham and Erling Haaland. Okay, we got an icon and a power up. It's pretty fucking crazy. Damn. And then we also got these bad boys. Like, I've been collecting, actually, low-key. We got Messi, we got a Haaland, and then we got some crazy legends over here. Messi, Henry, Kaká, Rivaldo. Bro, that pack would have cost at least 10 million FIFA coins. Exactly, bro. It's a W pack. Here, put that in the slots. Boom. To the collection. Alright, so price is retesting our entry point right now. And now we just hold and wait. We could be moving upward. I doubt that, besides just like London lows getting swept, but I really doubt that. Let's see what's happening on the 15. Alright, so this could be a morning star. We just need this 15-minute candle to close bearish. But I'm not too stressed about the price going up. Why? Because of this FEG, which price just hit now. So this FEG is no longer valid. So yeah, after retesting that FEG as well as that fast support resistance, the daily low, the golden zone, it would take a lot for price to go back up completely. So now we just wait and see. Retest, yeah, retest on support, 4 hour support resistance, as well as a daily low. Also had a fair value gap here previously, which got filled. Now we really just, I think we would only really start stressing the moment price breaks the 50-minute descending trend, right? Because that would also roughly be the golden zone of the previous day. So then at that point, that's when the buyers would start taking control. So everywhere like in this area right now, like here till about here is pretty fine. Okay, but there afterwards, if it breaks, that's obviously where we could see like the bulls coming in. One minute had a W pattern. I don't really look at patterns on like really low time frames. But yeah, that is a W pattern. I'll be honest, I set my SR at 29387 just because that felt better for my risk tolerance. 29387. 387. Yeah, I would say that's a good stop loss, bro. It's a good stop loss considering, you know, the fair value gap in the 50-minute trend. For me, the reason why I set it high is because it's still in a 4-hour support resistance zone, and also with this fair value gap over here. Otherwise, your stop loss is, you know, just as valid. This still fits the M pattern plot you explained earlier though. Let's take a look on the 4-hour. Yeah, we'll still respect it. I would just say, obviously, the M pattern would be disrespected once it reaches a daily high. then yeah, that would be, it would no longer be an pattern, but still definitely still respecting it. See, 5 more minutes until the next 15-minute candle. Let's stay on the 15 for a little bit. Three more minutes on this 15. See on this 5. Okay, 15-minute candle's about to close. Let's just see how this acts. Maybe a blood 15-minute candle would be nice. Still a wick and tank. 5-minute looks good. Especially if we close bearish on this 5, then it could be nice. Yeah, still looking juicy, bro. Still looking good. Obviously, we're just in like slightly drawdown at the moment, but so far it's not breaking that 50-minute trend. This 5-minute potentially closing bearish could be good. We just want price to surpass that FEG that we identified on the 15-minute time frame. If it does that, I think the second time we break this 4-hour support resistance, we could see some decent volume coming in for sellers. But yeah. See, don't think we'll get a bearish 5-minute candle in 2 seconds. Okay, looks like that fair value gap might get hit. We obviously wanted to break through it. Alright, that would count as a hit on the FEG. So that fair value gap is no longer valid. Take a peek at the 15. Alright, so far it is looking pretty decent. It's pretty halfway through this 15-minute candle. If we can close bearish or at least break below that low point, then that would invalidate that morning star candle. Alright, so we're breaking through the 4-hour support resistance and retesting the daily low again. Bro, I'm in gold trade at the moment, and it's also playing with me like Naz. It's so close to TP1, then runs away, and then comes back and runs again. It's trading in a nutshell, bro. What's your setup for gold? Markets are pretty slow though today. Like since market open, it hasn't really done a lot. So same here, bro. Opted for a buy. What I thought though was missed the sell opportunity. It's going up. It messes with my health every 5 minutes. I need the 3 minute to close below the support by entry area. I need that 30-minute to close. Let's see what you're referring to on the 30-minute. I used to trade on 30-minute quite a bit back in the day, but now I just rely on 15 and 5. Just keep asking me questions every time I'm about to open my screens to check this up. We'll let you know soon tomorrow. Alright, sweet bro. What a trooper, bro. Man's in the office and he's busy trading. Only way to break free. I want to break free. Alright guys, we're gonna give this 5 more minutes because I have some calls that I have to do, but we'll wait for this 5-minute candle, see what happens. Otherwise we just let this trade play out. I will only exit this trade at either TP1 or SL, or if our SL is at entry. So let's see if this 5-minute candle can give us something nice. Can I enter? Yeah, you can still enter. You would actually have a better, what's the name, entry than us. You would have close to 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, you can definitely enter, but just make sure that the stop loss is the same. But the trade is still valid. It will be even more valid, obviously, once we break those crucial points. But for now, it's still good, bro. Drawdown isn't always like the worst thing. Alright guys, I need to do some calls on my end. I will be, if you guys are on the Discord, then I'll probably update the trade on the Discord. If not, I'll definitely update it on my Instagram. But yeah, definitely keep this position. Just keep your areas monitored. What I would do if you are using TradingView, make sure to put an alarm at also stop loss or at your SL to entry if you guys aren't watching your trade. The moment my alarms are triggered, then I'll obviously alert you guys. It will either be moving your stop loss to entry, or you know our stop loss will be hit. Again, stop loss to entry is 29,096, so basically the lowest point of today, right? So the moment price hits that point again, move your stop loss to entry because it will be a risk-free trade. I took a short position on gold once it broke the ESGZ weekly low. It retested the weekly low and smashed through to, oh, now it's down to, damn. I just grew my account from 1 to, so I'll enter here. Okay, great, bro. Alright, thanks so much, guys. Thanks, Megatron. Alright, have a good day, and I'll see you guys next week, Monday. Alright, take care, guys.